Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save, edit and manage your saved passwords in Chrome app on iPhone. So launch your Chrome app, and this is the test login page which we are going to use in this video. So before that, what you can do is we need to first make sure that the password manager option is enabled. For that, tap on these three dot options and go to settings. And within the settings you can go to this password manager, which is currently set on, which means the password manager is running. So once you verify that the password manager is turned on, there are two ways actually to save the password. One is to save the password manually, where you can tap on this add password and enter the details of the website and the username and all other things. So once you have done it, you can just save, and the password will be saved automatically. And the second option is to enable the offer to save password toggle switch. And once you are done it, you can go to any of the website that you are logging in, and say suppose we are going back to this practice test automation, and let's enter the username and password here. So I will just copy this password and paste it here, and let's enter the student. And then once it is done, tap on the submit command. What it will do is it will ask whether you want to save the password. So what you can do is you can tap on the save command and the password will be saved. So you can go back to the settings and check if the password has been saved. So let's go to password manager and see, you will be able to see the practicetestautomation.com website password has been saved. Now these are the two ways to save the password, the manual way and the automatic way. Now if you want to edit the password, what you can do is you can select any of the saved password, for example this demo.demo.user. So here you have at the top, you have this edit command. Just tap on it and it will give you the option to edit the username and the password. So once you made your desired changes, tap on this done command and then the password will be saved. Now if you do not want the password to be saved for any particular website, what you can do is you can just go to that particular password record and then hit on edit command and choose delete password and just select delete command, and the password will be deleted. So in this way you can manage the passwords, like adding, edit and deleting the passwords in Chrome app on iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.